working with Amazon product data and received an ASZ file. This is a specialized e-commerce data file used in product research workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these Amazon ASIN list files for your product analysis. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for ASZ file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. ASZ files are data files containing lists of Amazon standard identification numbers used by Amazon seller tools and product research software. They store collections of ASIN product identifiers along with associated product data, such as titles, prices, rankings, categories, and seller metrics for bulk product analysis and tracking. ASZ files typically use a proprietary or structured format specific to Amazon seller research tools, storing ASIN entries with associated metadata fields. The format may include CSV-like tabular data, compressed archives, or application-specific binary encoding depending on the originating Amazon research or analytics software platform. The fundamental reading standard for ASZ is set by Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. Windows is unable to interpret the specific configuration values within the file. Windows cannot interpret all embedded data elements, so the right application is needed for full access. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your ASZ file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Excel and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If your ASZ file is not opening yet, that is normal. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening in the source application. Identify which Amazon seller tool created the ASZ file by checking context such as the software you or your team uses for product research. Open the file in that application such as Jungle Scout Helium 10 or AMZ Scout, which will parse and display the ASIN list with full product data and analytics. Next, viewing as text or data. Try opening the ASZ file in a text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to check if it contains readable text or CSV-formatted data. If the content is readable, copy the ASIN data into a spreadsheet. Application for analysis. If the file appears binary, it requires the original application for proper parsing. Finally, extracting ASIN data. If the ASZ file uses zip-based packaging, rename the extension to zip and extract the contents. Look for CSV XML or JSON data files containing ASIN lists inside the archive. Import extracted data into Excel or Google Sheets for custom analysis, sorting, and filtering of Amazon product identifiers and metrics. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.